I've come up with this great idea, be able to control multiple lights off of one channel. So what I've come up with is what I call a one-channel multi-switch. With this you can control from either 5 or 8 channels, LED lights or LED strip lights. And to control this, all you have to do is flip a switch numerous times. And here's how you do it. I'll show you. Channel 1 would be one flip. And channel 2 would be 2 flips. To turn them back off, channel 1 would be one flip. Channel 2 would be 2 flips. Now I've configured this so that the first 4 channels are solid on. The next 3 channels flash off and on, and the third channel gives a double flash. So let's turn on channel 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll see that it's flashing just a regular flash. Now we'll turn on channel 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I will turn off channel 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see channel 8 is like a double flash, like a strobe. Like I said, I made this either in a 5 channel or an 8 channel. If you're interested, you can let me know. Now I'll show you how all channels work. Channel 2, channel 4, 1, channel 3, channel 5, hard to see, I'll turn 4 off. Channel 6, and channel 7. Oops. There we go. Turning them off. Turned off the strobe. Now just the flashing ones are working. There you go. It's called the one-channel multi-switch. Thank you.